and they are used to e-commerce and the experience that they have in their everyday lives, and that's the comparison. So I think, I mean, obviously we have a multitude of different payment methods, and I think what we see is that the consumer doesn't tend to use just one. They'll use what's
Yeah.
useful. They use what's there for their budget. So having options is really important. But I strongly believe, and obviously I'm a little bit biased about this, but I strongly believe that one of the reasons that wallet usage is rising so fast is because players want more control and they want privacy and predictability. So they know that once they've deposited the money into the wallet, essentially that's cleared funds. So I can then, play with ease on the operators. I don't have the challenges that I faced before. We're getting faster payouts, and the whole process provides them with a lot more visibility.